Most people are eating garlic the wrong way. That means they're not getting the full benefits, and in some cases, they may even be causing harm. Today, we're talking about the most common garlic eating mistakes and how to fix them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Cooking garlic too soon after chopping. This is probably the most common mistake. You chop or crush garlic and toss it straight into the hot pan. Sounds harmless, right? Well, when garlic is chopped, it releases a compound called allicin, which is responsible for many of its health benefits. But allicin doesn't form instantly. It takes about 10 minutes to fully develop after garlic is crushed. If you cook it too quickly, the heat destroys the enzymes before allicin can form. That means you're missing out on all the powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory effects. To fix this, always wait 10 minutes after chopping garlic before cooking it. Let it sit on the counter. This allows the allicin to fully activate. Mistake number 2. Using boiling water or high heat. Whether you're making garlic tea, garlic water, or cooking garlic in your meals, boiling temperatures can destroy the delicate compounds in garlic, especially allicin. While garlic flavor may survive the heat, the health benefits won't. High heat kills the very compounds that make garlic a healing powerhouse. To fix this, add garlic at the end of cooking instead of the beginning, or use it raw when making dressings, dips, and spreads. If you're making garlic tea, use warm water, not boiling. Mistake number 3. Eating too much raw garlic. Garlic is potent, especially raw. Eating large amounts can irritate your digestive system, lead to bloating, and even cause heartburn or burning in the throat. Some people also report headaches or dizziness when eating garlic raw on an empty stomach. To fix this, start small. Half a clove of raw garlic per day is enough for most people. You can build up slowly as your body adjusts. Mistake number 4. Swallowing whole cloves like pills. Some people think swallowing whole garlic cloves is a shortcut to better health. But here's the problem. Allicin is only produced when garlic is crushed or chewed. Swallowing it whole does very little, and it can be hard to digest. To fix this, always crush, chop, or chew garlic to activate the beneficial compounds. Your digestive system will thank you. Mistake number 5. Ignoring garlic sensitivities or interactions. Garlic is natural, but that doesn't mean it's safe for everyone in every amount. Some people are sensitive to garlic, especially raw. Others may be on medications that interact with garlic, like blood thinners. To fix this, if you experience discomfort after eating garlic, try cooked forms or smaller amounts. And always talk to your doctor if you're on medication, pregnant, or have a sensitive stomach. Mistake number 6. Using garlic powder instead of fresh garlic. Garlic powder may add flavor, but it lacks many of the active compounds found in fresh garlic. The drying process destroys most of the allicin and antioxidants. To fix this, use fresh garlic whenever possible. If you're short on time, pre-chopped garlic in oil is better than powdered garlic but still not as potent as fresh. Mistake number 7. Not pairing garlic with the right foods. Did you know that pairing garlic with certain foods can actually enhance its absorption and benefits? For example, healthy fats like olive oil help the body absorb garlic's fat-soluble compounds. Adding garlic to vitamin C-rich foods like lemon juice or tomatoes can boost its effectiveness too. To fix this, combine garlic with olive oil, citrus, or cooked vegetables to enhance its health benefits naturally. Garlic is a true superfood, but how you eat it makes all the difference. By avoiding these common mistakes and using garlic the right way, you can unlock its full potential for immunity, digestion, and overall health. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite way to eat garlic? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical wellness tips right here on Nourish and Thrive. Until next time, eat well and keep thriving.